Lesson 10.9 is adding and subtracting rational expressions level 1. Remember that when we're adding and subtracting fractions, they have to have a common denominator. So the first two will, second two won't. These just are becoming binomial denominators, so they're not just a monomial like what we had in the past. Also be aware that this is a negative here, this minus sign. So I see the first two fractions have a common denominator of 5x plus 8. So I don't need to multiply by anything. So I'm just going to bring these numerators over here. This is negative 2x cubed. But this negative, sorry, my fat finger's in the way. This negative, I'm going to distribute it. So it's like minus a negative. And you can always go ahead and turn this into a plus and then change the signs of everything after it if that helps you. So that's going to be plus 3x cubed. And so I need to simplify. Well, I've got both terms are x cubed, so I can put them together. 3 minus 2 would be a positive 1, x cubed, over 5x plus 8. And because this goes together, I cannot divide out an x. So that would be my final answer in simplest form. All right, number 2. They have a common denominator already. I cannot talk today. Common denominator. And then I still put 4. What am I doing? 2. Okay, so then the top's going to stay. But see this minus sign? That's going to distribute to everything after it. So it's like minus negative 2x becomes positive 2x. So minus negative 3 becomes positive 3. Then I'm going to put my like terms together. So I've got negative 3x and a plus 2x. That would be negative x. 7 plus 3 would be 10 all over 2. Okay. Number 3. They don't have a common denominator. 5, 9 have a least common multiple of 45. So 5 gets multiplied by 9. 9 gets multiplied by 5. 9 times 2x is 18x. This is a minus here. So negative 7x times 5 would be negative 35x. And then I can put those like terms together. That would be negative 17x over 45. And last one, I have a 6x and a 4x on the bottom. The x's match, but I need a common multiple for 6 and 4, and the smallest one would be 12. So I'm going to make common fraction or common denominator with 12x. 6x would have to be times 2. 4x would have to be times 3. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 5 times 3 is 15. Put your like terms together, so 2 plus 15 is 17 over 12x. So pretty simple on this lesson.